Hey guys, back with the Husqvarna tractor. Piece of junk. This thing, we're going to replace the bushings in the front tire here. It came ungreased from the factory. Something I never bothered to check. Didn't think I'd have to. But I did order a new pair of bushings. I wanted to get the bearing kit. It's on back order, obviously, because these things are so crappy. So I just went ahead, got the bushings. I'll get the bearing kit another day. Here are the bushings from the Husqvarna group, genuine parts. Part number 532009040. And I think these things were about 15 bucks each. Pretty easy to change. I did contact Husqvarna, shared my displeasure about what happened. They told me I could bring it in for warranty somewhere, some dealer, I don't know. There's a dealer locator. But it cost me more to load it and drive it there, because there's none around here, than to just buy the bushings myself. So that's what I'm doing. Let's get started. We'll take our dust cap off. Inside the tires, like a little circlip. And just pop that off. Like that. Got two washers. We'll pull our tire off. Grease fitting on the back of the tire, you can see. It's very handy when it's used. Not so handy when it's not used. So there's a few ways we can pull these bushings out. This is what they look like. They go in this way. I'm going to use an air chisel today. You can use a press, hammer, and a punch. I'm just going to use the air chisel because it's fast and easy. And the vibration should just pop it right out. There's one out. There's two. So as far as putting our new bushings in, I'll just push it in as far as I can and tap it in the rest of the way with a hammer. Installed. That's all there is to it. New bearings. Slide it back on the shaft. Just like that. Put our washers on. Put our clip back in. This little clip has a good amount of spring tension on it when you're trying to push it in, so I find it's easier, instead of using a hammer or something, just squeeze it with a pair of channel locks and hold it so it doesn't go patow and it's gone. And that's it. Put our cap on. Well, it's a lot better. It's not so loosey-goosey. So now I'm just going to slide behind it where I showed you that grease fitting was. And we'll put some grease inside it. I'll go ahead and do the other side before I'm done. That's all there is to that. Something I'm pretty sure anybody could handle. Appreciate you watching. See you later.